Welcome back. The High Court has shown its resentment for not completing probe in alleged atrocities on jail inmates by jail staff of the Central Jail at Aguada. Court had directed Principal District and Sessions Judge, North Goa, to hold an inquiry and file its report by 19th of June. But the probe has not been completed within the deadline. Citing a recent case of death of an inmate due to food poisoning, the court observed that the situation in jails is really alarming.
During hearing before the High Court on Wednesday, public prosecutors seeking more time said that the assigned session judge had not completed the investigation. The High Court observed that the matter is very serious and the investigation should have been completed within the given time frame. Petitioner Rajendra Singh, who is jailed in the Central Jail Aguada, had filed a petition before the High Court alleging that he has been assaulted in the jail by the assistant jailer and the jail guard. Petitioner has also sought compensation. After hearing the petition in the second week of April, the High Court had directed Principal District and Session Judge Panji to hold an inquiry by any additional Session Judge of North Goa into the matter and to file its report by 19th of June. Citing a recent case of death of an inmate due to food poisoning at Aguada Jail, the bench observed that the situation in jails is really alarming. The High Court has fixed 24th of June as the next date of hearing. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Kurchode police arrested accused Santosh Velip, branch in charge of Adarsh Krushi Sahakari Kharedi Cooperative Society on Wednesday. Internal auditor of Cooperative Society had complained of misappropriation of around 9 lakhs by the branch in charge at Kurchode Market Yard. He is remanded to 5 days police custody.
We have received a complaint from Shri Premanand Biso Velip, internal auditor of Adarsh Krishi Sahakari Kharedi Vikri Prakriya Sanstha Maryadit Society, Barli, Goa, who lodged his complaint to the effect that Shri Santosh Shrikant Velip, age 27 years, who was the counter in charge of the Kurchorem counter, which is situated at the market yard at Kurchorem, and in his capacity has misappropriated the money amounting to Rs 8,82,443, which belongs to the society, and committed offence under section 408 of IPC. We have registered a complaint yesterday at 1850 HRS, and soon thereafter we have also arrested the accused Santosh Shrikant Velip.
Six Goan students have been offered the Goa Education Trust Scholarship for the postgraduate studies in UK. The initiative taken by two industrial groups, the Dempo Group and the Fomento Group, along with British Council, aims at providing best of the education system to eligible Goan students. The trust feels need to encourage these Goans to return and settle back in Goa to contribute to their native state.
6 Goan students selected for the Goa Education Trust Scholarship were felicitated by the Vice-Chancellor of Goa University, Dr. Satish Shetye, in presence of Srinivas Dempo, Chairman of Dempo Group of Companies, and Ambar Timlaw, Managing Director of Fomento Group, on Tuesday at Siddhartha, Goa. These students have been selected out of 12 finalists by an interview panel chaired by Sam Harvey, Director of British Council, West India.
Not only achieve their ambitions, but also come back to India and to make a difference. And that's one of the criteria that we have been talking to all of the candidates who've been part of the process and trying to understand how they think they can come back and contribute to the development of India and to Goa.
This is an initiative taken by the two industrial groups, the Dempo Group and the Fomento Group, under their corporate social responsibility for the past 3 years. In the last 3 years, they have awarded scholarships to 10 students and funded around £1 crore.
We need to start looking at what they're doing post they graduate. It's much easier to say they should be coming back to Goa, they should be coming back to India, but it's our responsibility to in fact provide them the opportunities of coming to do.
Goans who have the talent and who have the quality of mind should not be deprived of educational opportunities in whichever sector that they want to pursue it. And I think to a large extent, we have succeeded in that endeavor. But a long journey is still to be embarked on.
The scholarship program is catering to 120 odd universities in the UK. Our senior video journalist Tulshidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.